Here's the 2026 Denago MX1. It's a 110cc semi-automatic. Bike has electric start and kick start. As you can see, it has color matching shifter, stator plugs, hand grips, gas cap vents colored. This bike has 14-inch wheels on the front, 12-inch on the back. Disc brakes, retractable, foldable levers, CNC brake covers. It's a 4-stroke. This is the pink edition here. Chain guard, gold chain. This bike comes with a factory parts and labor warranty. Inverted front forks, as you can see on the front here. Full parts and labor warranty. Come check it out today at East Central Sports of Rush City, Minnesota.